If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and leave us a comment. We love hearing from you. So today I'm going to show you how to weave in your ends when you're finished with your knitting. So I've got a stockinette swatch here, and I'm going to flip it over so I can weave in the ends on the back. I've got an arm's length of a contrasting yarn just so it's easier for you to see on screen, and I've threaded a tapestry needle with that. So when we open up our stitches, you can kind of see where this stitch goes underneath and around and around. You just kind of follow one of these stitches. Okay, so it's going up and down and kind of looping around. Hopefully it makes sense as I demonstrate it. Okay, so I'm going to start here, just in the middle, so it's easier to see. And I'm going to go into this stitch here, and I'm going to follow this stitch, okay? So I'm going to go up and around like that. And this goes back into the one we just came out of. Okay. And you're just going to kind of do this up and down, and it's going to kind of zigzag up and down, following the stitches. And if you're not sure where you're supposed to go next, you just open it up and you can kind of see where the next stitch goes. So we're going to follow this one. We're going to go down. Oops. We're going to go down, and then we're going to go in there. Okay, so I'm going to follow this one back up, and then it goes into this guy. Okay, and then we're going to follow that one back down. And then we're going to follow this one back up. And then we're going to follow this one back down. And then just give it a little bit of a stretch. And you shouldn't be able to see it from the other side. Obviously, this is a contrasting color, so you can see it a little bit, but if this was just white yarn, it would be pretty invisible. And there you go.